get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Take it on the run, on the run, on the run. Hear them calling you and me every song.
Oh, how do you do, Private Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside? I'll rest for a while in the warm summer sun. Been walking all day, Lord, and I'm nearly done. And I see by your gravestone you were only 19 when you joined the Glorious Fallen in 1916. Well, I hope you died quick and I hope you died clean. Now, Willie McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they sound the pipe lowly? Did the rifles fire o'er ye as they lowered ye? Now when I was a young man, I carried me pack, and I lived the free life on the Rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, well, I waltzed my Matilda all over. Then in 1915, my country said, son, it's time you stop rambling, there's work to be done. So they gave me a tin hat and they gave me a gun, and they marched me away to the war, and the band played.
Johnny, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Take it on the run, on the run, on the run. Hear them calling you and me, every son of liberty. Hurry right away, no delay, go today. Make your daddy glad to have had such a lad. Tell your sweetheart not to pine, to be proud her boy's in line. Over there, over there. Send the word over there, that the Yanks are coming, the Yanks are coming, the drums rum-tumming everywhere. So prepare, say a prayer, send the word to beware. We'll be over, we're coming over, and we won't come back till it's over there. Johnny, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Johnny, show the Hun you're a son of a gun. Hoist the flag and let her fly, like true heroes do or die. Pack your little kit, show your grit, do your bit. Soldiers to the ranks from the towns and the tanks. Make your mother proud of you, and to liberty be true.